We're at a park. Beautiful creek. Park is over there. What? Is the cup has water in it?
Yeah.
Clean water? I want some water. Mama, you liar! I got dog DNA now.
Yep. They rinsed it out.
I'm faster. Watch, I bet I'm faster because I got dog DNA.
Go.
Yo, beat him. Oh, my baby, I didn't even hear him. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. I got dog DNA. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Hayden, you're going to get poison ivy or something.
I had poison ivy around my eye before. I got dog DNA because I drank from a cup that dog drank out of it. Didn't even know. See, I told you I'm faster now. I get Kaden Hess on, I still beat him.
So we're going this way.
This way. You see the X? Whoa. Oh, she wearing slides. We are all prepared. We are all prepared, and Mama wearing some flipping slides. It ain't time to be cute, girl. It's time to be ready. Okay, yeah, this is broken. I can't fix it at the bottom. I'll take it. Ooh, so pretty here, nah? Right, Junior? Yeah. Here, give me a high five, boy.
Junior, run the bridge. Run over the bridge.
He's supposed to give me a high five, boy. Here, he coming with Sissy. All right, come on.
Run.
Come on, Sissy. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Stop. Pause for a moment. Take time to appreciate this beautiful nature. Who? Oh, he go. Mama, this is like an ocean to Minnie. I want to jump in so badly. I'm recording.
Hold my baby, please.
And Reagan. Reagan's a baby.
Reagan's smart enough to stand back. He like, go back there and take a picture with Naya, Daddy.
Come on.
Y'all
Come on,
ready?
baby. Come here. You want me to hold you?
Hayden, come on.
Are you ready? Go.
Y'all ready? Reagan.
Say
Bend
cheese.
down.
All right, say cheese to the camera. To that
Y'all
one.
ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Is that good? Let me see, mommy. Let me see, mama. I look cute.
Let me see, Mama.
This is my gold medal because I beat Kaden. Oh, let me watch out, Ray. Ray bang. Oh, look at this. It's a little water snail, like. Ooh, bye. Junior, go back. Bye. Go back. There's probably spider webs there. Come on, Ray. Run, y'all, run. Girl, she ain't leaving y'all. Mama, take her leash off. You can put it in my backpack. You might need to catch her. Oh, you mean if she go in the water?
Mama.
Oh, they could use that as a great bridge, like a challenge. I love nature. Nature's so beautiful. Yeah, okay, that's not being a meanie weenie. Meanie booty beauty. You are this nigga. Oh, si vengo. Tababi. Tababo. So vengo. You know, that's the wrong song for this. This is more like
Mom,
Forest.
can you take a picture?
No, Mama, Kaden trying to walk across the log. Mama, Kaden gonna get wet. Junior, get down. Come on, Kaden. They following me. You gotta follow somebody. Listen, period. Oh my God, see, appreciate that. Oh my God, yellow, get out the way. Beautiful. I could just take it and eat it up and turn it to pretty nature. If I get reincarnated, oh, snap bees. I want to get
Avatar.
Oh yeah, it's the avatar tree.
Look at Avatar tree.
I want to get reincarnated to like a beautiful animal that lives in the nature freely.
Avatar tree.
That's evidence that avatars were once roaming this land. I feel like they would live somewhere more open though, Kaden. If this was a big fat anthill, oh my god, I would literally jump into the water. But ants can also float in the water, so that would not help. But what the heck? They live right here. Come on, Roscoe, enjoy this beautiful nature. Oh. Okay, hush. Okay, y'all, don't listen to it. That is violent. Don't listen to it, y'all. No bad word, cuz. Alright, let me do this because people coming. I don't got permission. Oh, this? That's Daylon, Kaden, Junior, you know, all the family. I'm introducing y'all. Kaden, Daylon, Roscoe, Junior, Mama, Reagan, and Malia. And Kaden being mean, pushing me out the way like I do something to you. I don't care. So I'm not my YouTube video.
Tie your shoes, boy.
Yeah, tie your shoes. Never tie your shoes. Tie your shoes. I'm a body from you on these rocks. That's why he stuttered on the word. He couldn't even pronounce it right. That's crazy. Look at my fit, y'all. Daily fit check. I'm just kidding. And I also won, Kaden. I beat Kaden, so I took this medal. I do not care. I do not care. That's why I don't got a YouTube channel. Imagine. This is actually a video, too. Oh my God, just take time to appreciate. Wait, all right, y'all. I'm going to get close and be quiet so I can appreciate this nature right here. All right, jump down. Woo! Woo! Hey, Rocky. All right, I'm going to be quiet. 5, 4,